Good morning. It's a new week, and I promised to you guys that we were going to do more sourcing video this week. So this is what we are gonna do. All right. It's Monday. Tons of new sales. There's a lot of things going on because it's Monday. It's a new week. We're gonna be able to find a lot of leads, in my opinion. All right. So we are going to do some manual sourcing. Hydrotech, shout out to you because you wanted some more manual sourcing, because I know a lot of you guys have a hard time when it comes to manual sourcing. So yeah, we're gonna source live. We're gonna see what we can find. I don't even know why I have my headphones, by the way, because I was watching a video right before I actually shoot this video, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna do some manual sourcing for, let's say, 30 minutes. So let's set up a timer. 30 minutes maximum. I don't know if I will go the whole 30 minutes, but we are going to use, and I showed this to you a couple of weeks ago, we are going to use the top cashback trending tab to see what's trending, to see where people are going, all right? So let's start, and let's not use the timer. We do not care about that. We are going to put a stopwatch, and you know what? Let's put a timer for 30 minutes. Here we go. So let's start sourcing. So tons of things going on. So usually the trending tab is a great place actually when you start the week, especially on Monday, because it's on top cashback, right? So it's going to tell you which websites are trending right now, right? Because if a website is trending, it means that more people are actually going to that website. If more people are going to this website than usual, it probably means that, you know, there's a promotion on that website, right? So we can see that there's stuff on BJ's Wholesale. I've never sourced BJ's Wholesale, to be honest, but there's Vetacost. I don't know if we are going to manual source this, because you can do it with Tactical Expander, Tactical Arbitrage, all that stuff. QVC, maybe we'll look at QVC. On Joe's New Balance outlet. I don't know if this website is legit, but apparently it is legit because it's right there. So you know what? Let's look at this. Joe's New Balance outlet. Let's look at this. And first thing that we're gonna do, of course, is we are gonna check. You can get an extra 25%. Like the thing with this website is that the prices are already crazy, right? So let's see. Joe's New Balance outlet. Trustpilot. We're gonna try to figure out if this website is legit. 202 reviews. This guy is well, people, looks like people do not necessarily like this website, but let's see to pay for shipping. Well, it looks like you get the stuff delivered. These are not New Balance. It's all so the price of the same brush is 3 pearls tied and not white. As I ordered, they said it was white. Okay, so it's probably legit, just people don't necessarily like the website. So we are gonna look at it quickly to see if we can find some stuff. If it's on top cashback, I'm pretty sure it's legit. And yeah, so let's just look at what we can find on here. All right. And as you guys saw, I'm just starting sourcing. I just opened my computer. Like, I haven't done anything in advanced, so this is really how I would source this website. So I will look at warehouse sale. I do not know this website, but yeah, let's do this. And let me just open my Amazon because I do not want to share any information. Let me just do this and do this. New Balance layer. Here we go. So we are going to look at this first. All right. I'm just going to open a few stuff that I may want to look, and buy 3, take 30% off. Looks interesting. We are going to look at this as well. I'm not sure, because usually you can sell the Nike Pros like this. I'm not sure for New Balance. I'm not really sure. We're gonna see. These are the socks I got engaged with, actually, on Amazon for New Balance. I bought 10 pairs and I'm using them myself. Like, I'm not, like, I did not try to sell them. So don't try to find my store from that way. You're not gonna find it. But yeah, let's see. Let's focus on the shoes, maybe. Let's focus on the shoes. Let's see. Men's clothing size. You cannot shop by category. It looks like you cannot shop by category. Okay. Okay. You cannot shop by category. So let's just look in weekly deals. Yeah, let's do this instead. 89. 89 is not that. It could work. It could work. Let's look at these. So it's Fresh Foam 680 V7. Fresh Foam 680 V7. Let's see. Okay, black, and let's see if we can find this color. It looks like, yeah, it looks like this model is selling. No, it's selling for super cheap though. So yeah, it's sold by Amazon. Let's look. We could look on this listing. Let's look on this listing and see if we can find that specific color. Let's first look here. Well, I don't know. Nah, we're not gonna be able to find this color. I do not want to look on other listings. I'm too lazy for that. We're gonna skip this for now. I'm not gonna look at this. You know what? Let's look at this quickly. Okay, let's skip this. We're gonna look at. There's only 4 pairs of shoes, so we are gonna look at those. You know what? Let's open this. Open this. Open this. Let's open this and let's see if we can find something. So, Fresh Foam Cruise V1, and I'm pretty sure I saw this pair on Amazon. We need to get it for $49.99. I mean, we're getting it for $49.99. You can remove the cashback, remove all that stuff. 68K. I'm gonna open this. No, it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna see if there's. No, there's not the color that we want, right? Is it? Well, it is actually. Yeah, it is. Here we go. So we have our first lead. Let's see if. Yeah, it's great actually. Wait, because I might be tripping. Is it the? It looks a little bit darker. Well, we're gonna finish this video early, like super fast. We are only 7 minutes in, so let's look at the variation. Okay, so we need to find the colors, the size, I'm sorry, that sells for more money. 74, 89. Is 89 going to work? I doubt it. Well, 89 is going to work actually. 90. But the thing is that, can you... Yeah, you could probably sell size 11 profitably. Size 8 wide. And the wide size, do they have the wide size here? They do. They do actually. They do. And let me just check something, because they also have the black one. They have the black one here. Yeah, it's the black one. I don't think they're... It's actually this one. Yeah, so what we can do is we can look at stuff that sells above 89, greater than $89. And maybe I should not add it here. Maybe I should add it here in current. Greater than 89. Greater than. And let's sort by rating. So yeah, okay, so here's the thing. We can sell size 10.5 and size 11 profitably. Let's just open size 9, size 11. These do not have reviews, so I would stay away from those, but these do have reviews. No, this one sold recently. This one has not been selling recently, so I think the best bet is this one. And here you go, it's a free lead for you guys. if you want to dive into it. No, it's not such a great lead when it comes to let's still check the other one. The thing is that it's selling slowly, so if a lot of you guys jump on this from this video, the price is gonna tank, except if you know, it's just a promotion that is not going to last a long time. I do not necessarily know this website, so yeah, and also check, make sure that the website is legit. I don't know, I never ordered over there. Do your own research. I cannot help you with this, but yeah, you can probably, I don't know. Yeah, I guess, yeah, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, you can, it's probably selling. I would say it's selling, and let's see. Maybe not at 106. Is it profitable at 80? If you get it at 80. With cashback and stuff. Wait. So what is the actual price? Let's see. Let me check something, because I think we have an extra 25%. So Zappos went on this one. So if you see Zappos, run away, because Zappos is owned by Amazon. You're not going to get the buy box, by the way. But this size 11, may be good. Zappos used to be there. And Zappos is not on there anymore, all right? So, yeah, let's check. Let's just add this one to cart and see if we get an extra 25%. Yeah, we get an extra 25% off. Okay, so we do get it for... So you can probably get free shipping, I assume. I assume you can get free shipping if you buy enough. So yeah, shipping, no, the shipping is showing free. So you get it for $37.49, all right, without the cashback and stuff. So let's just check here. Yeah, even at $80, it would be profitable. Even at $80 would be profitable, would be 58. Then let's call it $40 if you send it to your prep center, tax-free. It's 48%, all right? So here you go, super fast. I didn't even think that it would be that fast, but we found a profitable lead, all right? So I hope this video actually helps you guys. As you saw, sourcing is really not that difficult. I did not even look at what sales were going on. I just did it like, you saw me going to Trustpilot to try to make sure this website was profitable. Sourcing is not hard. Stop making it hard. It's super easy. It's super easy to find profitable products. Like, you need to just change your mindsets. There's leads everywhere. Stop trying to hold to your leads. As you guys see, I'm always sharing leads with you guys, because there's just so many leads. Like, do not have like that. You need to have an abundance mindset, right? There's leads everywhere. I'm not necessarily going to buy this lead myself. I could have kept it for me and bought it. But yeah, here you go. Free leads. I'm not going to buy it anyway. Just make sure, because it's selling on the slower side of things. It's not selling as fast. So if a lot of you guys jump on it, let's just check the offer tab. If a lot of you guys jump on it, you run the risk of having your price tanking. So I think I saw some guys. What size was this one? Why am I on size 10.5? Let's go back to size 11. Yeah, let's go to size 11. Let's look at the offers. It's actually selling. So because Zappos is not on here anymore, it's probably selling. It's probably selling. It's probably not selling super fast, but it is selling for sure. So yeah, this guy probably has a maximum quantity, because I'm pretty sure that he's selling. He got 10,000 reviews. He knows what he's doing. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this product is selling. If you look at the review count, yeah, it was because the review count size 11, we had one review recently. So I'm pretty sure this product is selling. If you want to jump on it, but I don't think it's a good idea. Since I shared this lead, if like 2 or 3 of you guys jump on it, there's gonna be one guy that is gonna tank this listing. So if you were to find a similar listing by yourself, you could take the risk. Know that it is, you know, in the videos that probably 100 people are gonna see. If you just have 2% that see this video and that buys this lead, the lead may tank. All right, but those leads may be good. As I said, if you find them yourself, I would jump into something like this. It's 81,000. Yeah, I would jump into something like this. You could sell it at $80 and make it profitable, and at $80, I'm pretty sure it's going to sell way faster than what it is selling right now. So yeah, that's a great lead. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any video requests, go on the Discord server. Join the Discord server, by the way. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.